Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we are going to feature a special showcase, and this band is called Bury the Rod. They're from Austin, Texas, and I just happen to be pretty good friends with the guitarist.
I'm kind of a big deal.
His name is Jeremy. You might have seen him floating around in the AMBreacts group page, dropping some ridiculous comments or some memes or something. He's a cool dude. This is way overdue. These guys are fantastic. They have a full-length album dropping on the 13th of March called Crisis. And this, the song I'm going to be reacting to today is called The Furnace of 8 Divisions, and this is the second single off that album, and there is a lyric video accompanied with this one. So, I'm not going to waste any more time. I have loved everything these guys have put out beforehand, and I don't think this is going to disappoint either. So, I'm going to shut up, and we're going to give this a listen. So, this is Bury the Rod with The Furnace of 8 Divisions. In 3, 2, 1... ETR always with this fantastic lyric videos. Super Mario. It's awesome. Dirty. Fucking riff, man. Very political in nature. Woo! Well, I tell you what. So, again, fantastic song, fantastic lyrics, fantastic instrumentals, CJ, the vocalist, this dude, it seems like every track that I listen to him, or every track that he's on rather, he just gets better and better, and it's awesome. I'm enjoying the ride. March 13th, this album is going to drop, and I'm really excited to check out the other tracks on it, because the stuff I've heard so far is fantastic. So that particular track, the Furnace of 8 Divisions, obviously very political, and I don't want to get very political. This is not a political platform, nor is it reaction channel to get into any of that. But a fair, quick dissection of the lyrics, obviously, kind of implies that no matter what side of the fence you're on, left, right, you know, blue, red, really doesn't matter in this case. You know, we're all kind of getting fucked in the end, so I'm just gonna leave it there. But again, fantastic song. I love it. If you guys like it too, go ahead and check it out. Obviously, the link to the lyric video should be in the description, and Jeremy and CJ are floating around the AMBreacts group, so you can say hi to them and chat with them for a bit. But yeah, excited for the album, and I'll see y'all next time.